Good morning everyone. Let's start the today's classes. Last class we did up to here. In this one only 2 and 3 and look at the rotation about a point. Whenever in the question is given rotate 90 degrees clockwise means you know that left to right. Clock how moving left to right. Anti-clock means right to left. If it's not mentioned also it is clockwise or anti-clockwise, you can use the clockwise only. Understand? If you use the clockwise or if you not mention also you can use the clockwise only. Okay, you can use the concept is clockwise only. If there is a mention is anti-clockwise, then you have to use the anti-clockwise. Clear? Then you have to use the anti-clockwise. So how to do the questions now, check it. Okay, now everyone need tracing paper. Okay, concentrate while you're doing. So they clearly mention that. Okay, the new one is label your in case that is the P. Okay, first of all, what is rotate the object by the angle and direction stated about the center of rotation O. This is the center of rotation O, and label your image is P. That means the new image is, you can write it as a P. You can write it P. The new image is, you can write it P. Okay, I write it here, all are P. Okay, now he said that note a piece of tracing paper may help. Okay, now look at here. First of all, what you do, use your tracing paper and draw the figure exactly. Okay, use your tracing paper, then draw it first of all. Okay, so look at here, this is the figure, question number 1. So if you look at this is the question number 1. I draw with by using the pencil and ruler. Okay, this is question number 1. After that, this is the center, this is the center. From center to any corner, the nearest one, what, this is the nearest one. So match the nearest corner with the center. Okay, then you can use this pencil like this way. Okay, then you can use the pencil like this way. Then after that, what you do, you can rotate the paper. What is said in the question, rotate 180 degrees about what. They didn't said that clockwise or anti-clockwise. If they not said that, you can use the clockwise only. You can use the clockwise only. So you can use the pencil like this way, then you can start rotation. Look at here, just wait. So I will start the rotation. Put the pencil like this way. So if I turn one time, this is 90, correct? If I start one time, this is 90. If I turn one more time, this is what now, 180. So then after that, you can remove the pencil, then tightly you can put the dots of the corners, then remove it and then draw the picture. Understand? Now this is what, rotate 90 degrees clockwise. They mention clearly rotate 90 degrees clockwise. Okay, so which is the figure, this is the figure, look at here, clockwise. Okay, then after that, from the center O, you can match with the any corner. After the matching, just what you do, you can just use your pencil in the center, the red dot, then you can move it how much, only 90 degrees. How much? Only 90 degrees. So one time clockwise. So look at here, this is the clockwise. Okay, after that you can do it what, put the little bit tighter, you can use the points, then you can match the points. Okay, clear? Understand? Similarly, you can use the one more question. I will explain you one more question, just wait please 1 minute. For your more understanding, I will use one more pencil so that you can good understanding. So this is question number 2 finished. Now look at the question number 3. So where is the question number 3? Here is the question number 3. Look at here, I draw already so that you understand. First draw the picture by using the pencil and ruler. Okay, just use the corners. First of all, put the dots like this way, put the dots only, like the dot corners, then you can remove it and you can match the all the corners. Okay, so first of all use it. After that, I told you what, from the center every time match any of the corner. Okay, the maximum one nearest. Okay, so then after that you can just put the pencil on the red line, red dot, then you can move it. How much you have to move, what is said in the question, just check it. What is that in the question, rotate 180. They said that means if they are not mentioning anti-clockwise, you can use every time clockwise only. Okay, so if I turn one time like this way, okay, then one more time if I turn, and this like exactly figure will look like this way, then you can draw. Now look at here, question number, what is the question number 4? Rotate 90 degrees anti-clockwise. Rotate 90 degrees anti-clockwise. So here is the question number 4. Look at here. Here is the question number 4. After drawing the picture, okay, just use your pencil in the middle, the line, rotate anti-clockwise. So anti-clockwise means use your, put it like this way. Anti-clockwise means this side, right or no? Only one turn. After the one turn, use your another pencil, just put the dots a little bit tighter, then it will, you know that where is the dots, then remove it and the match the lines. Okay, similar last question I will explain you. Last is what? Rotate 90 anti-clockwise. Rotate 90 anti-clockwise. Okay, so look at the picture. This is the picture of yours, right? This is the picture of yours. Then after that I am using the pencil in the middle of the red line, red dot. Okay, then after that anti-clockwise means what? Right to left, right or no? So right to, sorry, a little bit be careful while you are drawing. Okay, okay, now look at here. Now I am moving anti-clockwise means right to left. So when I move it like this way one time, so this is your figure, new figure. Okay, then use the dots in the corners, then you can match it. So remember, if it's not mentioned in the question clockwise or anti-clockwise, every time you can use it clockwise only. Okay, if it is anti-clockwise, then you have to use the anti-clockwise. Now, and this is also your class work. What is the class work? A pattern with rotational symmetry of order 5 has an angle of 72 degrees. Why? Because the rotation is order is given to you. He asks you to write the angle. So I told you what, every time whenever the order and angle, when you multiply, the answer should be 360, or you can do it 360 divided by 5, or 5 multiply what number is 360, so 72. Next again order is 8, so what is the angle? So 45 multiplied by 8 is 360. Similarly this one is given the angle, so what is the order? 10, because 36 multiplied by 10 is 360. Then the order is then the angle is 20, so the order is what? 18. 18 multiplied by 20 is 360. So this is your homework. Okay, try to do it by yourself. This is rotation 180 about O means use the clockwise only, because they are not mentioned. There is rotation 90 clockwise, this is also clockwise. Okay, this is 90 degree clockwise, this is 180 degrees clockwise. This is your homework. I hope you understand today's class work. If you have any more doubts, you can ask me in the next class. Thank you.